in my experience with the new roots. And nowadays, the baldness, the hair loss is a very common in the society. To overcome this problem, there are few techniques are there which may be non-surgical, which helps in some extent. We know that. But at the end of the day, for the severe hair fall and baldness, we have only one option. We know well that hair transplantation. We can say it is a hair restoration. In my experience, before when I thinking about my surgery, I have searched a lot of clinics, and I got a lot of confusion to select a proper institution or proper clinic to go for the transplantation surgery. Finally, after the lot of research, I found the new roots. I approached last year. Now it's my second surgery. In the first surgery, I have done with 4,500 grafts. The surgery procedure, at the same time, the maintenance and results and everything is a very fine and very good way. Later 9th month, again I came for the second surgery. The second surgery is done with the 2,000 hair follicles, and now it's my looking after the second surgery. Really, it's an amazing journey with the new roots. They made a new hope and confidence in me. That brings a lot of confidence and effort, and it gives me a new birth to come to a new life to the society. So anyway, thanks to the new roots and